Alright, we've got some chain grinding here on the TNS 223 grinder. Doing a little 3/8 low profile. This grinder does let you be real nice and precise on it. It's definitely a lot better than you know, the Symingtons, and at least the worn out razor sharp 2s that I've used. Works pretty smooth. It's pretty easy to set up for this 3/8 low profile steel Picco chain. Of course, the light's a little funny. Using a blue wheel on this. It's been good. Grinder came with a white. I used that for break-in and just kind of trying to figure out settings of it without you know, wasting quite so much of a nice good wheel. One thing I like about this TNS is it's got this grabber for the cutter there. About the only complaint I have about it is that sometimes it doesn't grab the tooth quite as secure as you want, and lets it walk just a little bit. What I've found is that's mostly in the the early part of your grind, and so I let it walk a little bit and you know, get a fair chunk of the grind done, and then stop and re-grip it so that for the final coming into the corner it's just right. And I'm taking a little more off of these teeth than I need to convert this to square. First tooth was just giving me a little bit of trouble getting it lined up to the corner, so